Okay, in this video we're going to continue an example that I started earlier in which I created a finite discrete random variable that modeled the number of hours rounded down before my car's oil change would be done. And what we're going to do is compute the expectation. So to get the expectation, okay, the point of going through all these examples is not that each one of these individual examples is important, as is the case most of the times when you do examples of mathematics. The point is to understand the concept. So I'm really going to emphasize that concept. The concept of expectation is we multiply the values by the probabilities, and then we sum. So in this example, we'd be multiplying from k equals 0 to k equals 5, k times the probability that x is k, and then add those products together. Now, you wouldn't even have to write out that sigma notation for this expectation. You could instead just multiply your values times the probability, right? K equals 0 corresponds to probability that x equals k is 2/3. So that'd be 0 times 2/3 plus k equals 1 corresponds to a probability of 1/8. 1 times 1/8 plus 2 times 1/12 plus 3 times 1 over 24 plus 4 times 1 over 24, and then finally plus 5 times 1 over 24. And I've already done this calculation and found that it was 19 over 24. Okay, so there's the expectation of that random variable. Remember, to compute expectations, we just multiply values times probabilities and add them up.